Let's learn how to create a new folder on a Mac. The process is fairly simple, but can keep your Mac very organised. What you want to do is right click or two finger tap on the trackpad, which will bring up this menu where you select New Folder. You can then name the folder. So for instance, let's call this Holiday Pics. You double tap to enter the folder, and this is where you could add all your pictures. However, to be more organised, you could right click with inside the folder and make a new folder, and you could call this Holiday 2020. Again, you could right click and make a new folder, call this Holiday 2021. And you could house each holiday pictures in each different folder to keep your Mac organised. You can do this with pictures or files, and it keeps your Mac very organised. Let's say you want to rename your holiday picture folder. You can just right click and click rename, and then you can take the pics out just to holiday. You can rename any of the folders by right clicking and clicking rename. Creating new folders and folders within folders is a great way to organise your Mac and keep everything neat and tidy. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below and check out this next video for another helpful Mac tip. And thank you for watching.